I'm Rick Kolodinsky. I'm a board-certified civil trial lawyer in Florida. I've been practicing in Florida for 40 years or so. I'm a member of the American Board of Trial Advocates. I'm an AV-rated trial lawyer. I created LegalFeeGuard in order to level the playing field with regard to making the decision about settling a case or going to trial. It used to be that we could make decisions about settling cases or going to trial based solely on the merits of the case. After the proposal for settlement rule came into play, the risk of having to pay the other side's attorney's fees and court costs often drives the decision about whether to settle the case or go to trial. LegalFeeGuard levels that playing field and makes that decision merit-based again. LegalFeeGuard insures against the risk of having to pay the other side's attorney's fees and court costs if things don't go well at trial. We do no underwriting in the traditional sense. So long as you are involved in either a contract case, a probate case, or a personal injury case in the state of Florida, you can purchase the insurance to insure yourself or your client against the risk of having to pay adverse attorney's fees and costs. The only requirement that we have is that you have to buy the policy no closer than 40 days prior to the start of the trial docket that you're set for. There are several reasons for you to consider LegalFeeGuard. Obviously, to protect the client's assets is one primary reason. But beyond that, there's a negotiating advantage. If you go to a mediation or negotiate and the other side is threatening you with having to pay adverse fees and costs, you can advise them of the availability of LegalFeeGuard and take that negotiating tactic off the table. The other thing that you can do is, if you purchase LegalFeeGuard, you can file a consortium claim without worrying about exposing joint assets. If you purchase LegalFeeGuard, you can protect your client's recovery and the attorney's fee from being reduced so that if you got a verdict which was low enough to trigger the adverse proposal for settlement, and you had LegalFeeGuard would step in, pay the adverse fees and costs, such that that verdict would not be reduced by adverse fees and costs prior to the entry of judgment. There's a good example on the website, the LegalFeeGuard website, under the How Does It Work tab called Protect Your Fee, that shows you how LegalFeeGuard will protect not only the client's recovery, but also the attorney's fee from being reduced or even eliminated in the event that you get a verdict, but it's a low enough verdict to trigger adverse fees and costs pursuant to the adverse party's proposal for settlement. Further, we often, after things don't go well at trial, will often hear that the plaintiff has given up their appellate rights in order to avoid collection of the adverse fees. If you have LegalFeeGuard and you have a good appeal, you can pursue the appeal. Lawyers may advance the cost of the premium to the client just as you advance any other court costs, such as the cost of a deposition or subpoena, and the Florida Bar Ethics opinion allowing that to occur is posted on the website. The reference to that opinion is posted on the website. If you'd like a copy of the full opinion, please email me and I'll be happy to send that to you. The other thing that I can do for you, if you'd like, is to send you a copy of the form that we use to inform our clients when a proposal for settlement is made, to let them know what the meaning of a proposal for settlement is, the ramifications of rejecting the proposal, and the availability of LegalFeeGuard so that they can make an informed decision about A, whether to accept or reject the proposal, and B, if rejecting it, whether they should consider purchasing LegalFeeGuard to protect themselves and to protect their verdict. My email address is rick@legalfeeguard.com. It's on the bottom of every page of the website. The 800 number rings to me. I'm happy to talk to you about any questions that you have. I also provide a webinar on the current status of proposal for settlement law, and we go through also the advantages of LegalFeeGuard and the practical advice about how it works. That webinar provides 1 hour of continuing legal education credit as approved by the Florida Bar. We think it's important that you inform your client of the existence of LegalFeeGuard. They need to make an informed decision about whether to protect themselves from the potential ramifications of the proposal for settlement law. We also recommend that you integrate into your form on a proposal for settlement, when you tell your client that a proposal has been filed against them, that you inform them in that writing that LegalFeeGuard is available.